Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Decode AI. In today's video, I'm going to tell you some interesting headlines on AI. So let's get started. First is AI recognizes COVID-19 in the sound of a cough. Based on a cell phone recorded cough, machine learning models accurately detect coronavirus even in people with no symptoms. Again and again, experts have pleaded that we need more and faster testing to control the coronavirus pandemic. And many have suggested that artificial intelligence can help. Numerous COVID-19 diagnoses in development use AI to quickly analyze X-ray or CT scans, but these techniques require a chest scan at a medical facility. Since the Spring research team have been working towards anytime, anywhere apps that could detect coronavirus in the bark of a cough, in June, a team at the University of Oklahoma showed it was possible to distinguish a COVID-19 cough from cough due to other infections. And now, a paper out of MIT using largest cough dataset yet identifies asymptomatic people with a remarkable 100% detection rate. If approved by FDA and other regulators, COVID-19 cough apps in which a person records themselves coughing on command could eventually be used for free large-scale screening of the population. Second is using artificial intelligence to help drones find people lost in the woods. When people become lost in forest, search and rescue experts use helicopters to fly over the area where they are most likely to be found. In addition to simply scanning the ground below, the researchers use binoculars and thermal imaging cameras. It is hoped that such camera will highlight difference in body temperature of people on the ground versus their surroundings, making them easier to spot. Unfortunately, in some instances, thermal imaging does not work as intended because of vegetation covering subsoil or the sun heating the trees to a temperature that is similar to the body temperature of the person that is lost. In this way, the researchers sought to overcome these problems by using a deep learning application to improve the image that are made. The solution the team developed involved using an AI application to process multiple images of a given area. They compared it to using AI to process data from multiple radio telescopes. Doing so allows several telescopes to operate as a single large telescope. In this manner, the AI application they use allow multiple thermal images taken from a helicopter or drone to create an image as if it were captured by a camera with a much larger lens. After processing, the images that were produced had a much higher depth of field. In them, the tops of the trees appear blurred while people on the ground become much more recognizable. To train the AI system, the researchers had to create their own database of images. They used drones to take pictures of volunteers on the ground in a wide variety of positions. Third is AI systems solve 50-year-old protein folding problem in an hour. DeepMind has created an artificial intelligence system that can rapidly and accurately predict how proteins fold to get their 3D shapes. An artificial intelligence company that gained fame for designing computer systems that could beat humans at games has now made a huge advancement in biological science. The company DeepMind, which is owned by the same parent company as Google, has created an AI system that can rapidly and accurately predict how protein folds to get their 3D shapes. A surprisingly complex problem that has troubled researchers for decades, according to the New York Times. Figuring out a protein structure can require years or even decades of laborious experimentation, and current computer simulation of protein folding falls short on accuracy. But DeepMind system knows an AlphaFold require only a few hours of accurately predict a protein structure, the Times reported. Thank you everyone for watching our video. Do like, share and comment on the video. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to press the bell icon so you get notified whenever a new video drops in.